Hello everyone, my name is Stavros Naniadis and I study police technology at Ahunsik College. Today, I will show you a very good website to check your grammar after writing a message or an essay for school. So let's start by typing in the URL in the address bar. This here is the address bar, we'll type in the URL. virtualwritingtutor.com. Press enter and it brings you to this site right here. So as you can see, this website is called the Virtual Writing Tutor with the logo that's on the top left-hand side of the screen. On the top right-hand side of the screen, there are different icons that can redirect you to other websites like Twitter, Facebook, stuff like that. On the top of the screen in the middle, there is a navigation bar that presents to you different stuff to explore, like terms, what the site is about. There's a blog here, there are different games. It's pretty cool. So let's get to the point of the website. So since I'm in police technology, let's write a sentence about that. I want to be a police officer. Period. So that's my sentence. As you can see, there already are mistakes in the sentence. So with the buttons that are here, you can check out different stuff about the sentence that you wrote here. The word count, your grammar. If it's an essay, you can check the essay, check the writing. What we're going to do today is check the grammar. So I press check grammar with the button. So here it says it counts 7 words. There is 1 paragraph. They counted 1 error and 50% of error density. So what I wrote was, I want to be a police officer. It gives you feedback saying that you need to uppercase the I, which is a capitalization error, and the suggestion. So they tell me that I have to put an I in capital. So if we go back up and we clear, I want to be a police officer, period. We'll check the grammar now. And now it tells us that there are 0 errors. So today I have presented to you the virtual writing tutor. So if ever you really need to write an essay or a paragraph or anything for any type of English class, you write your text, come on the virtual writing tutor, copy paste it, check your grammar, and that's it. It's easy as that. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day.